Hi friends, welcome to Recreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about the introduction to ReactJS, and also we will discuss about what are the prerequisites needed for the ReactJS, and also we will discuss about what are the features available in the ReactJS, and at last we will just discuss about what are the advantages as well as the disadvantages of ReactJS. So let's get started. So now we are in the introduction part. Like as we know, ReactJS is a JavaScript library for building the user interfaces, and the ReactJS was developed by Facebook in 2011, and this can be the most popular JavaScript library in the world, and this is just used for handling the view layer of the applications, and for other layer we just need to depend upon the some of the other tools. And also the ReactJS allows us to create the reusable UI components, and also in the ReactJS there will be minimum or at least one component, and there can be maximum we can take as much as any component. And the heart of all React applications are nothing but about our components. So basically the component is nothing but about a piece of UI, and we can have at least, or we can say at least one component should be present in the applications, and it contains multiple components in it. And also the React abstracts away the DOM from you, offering a simple programming model and better performance. And also in the later in this video we will just discuss how the React abstracts away the DOM from you, and also it will create a virtual DOM from us, and which will just enhance, or we can say the increase the better performance of the applications. Now the prerequisites. So the prerequisites includes the HTML, CSS, JavaScript as well as the JSX. So JSX is nothing but about JavaScript XML. Now let us discuss about our features. The first feature is JSX. So JSX is nothing but about our JavaScript XML, and it is just not necessary to use the JSX, but it is recommended to use the JSX in the ReactJS. And also in my upcoming videos I will demonstrate that what is JSX and how to write JSX codes and everything detail about in my upcoming video. Now the next feature is components. As we already know, the main heart of ReactJS is nothing but about our components, and it can be there will be maximum more than one components, or we can take as many as number of components. Also we can say that everything is a component in ReactJS. Now the next feature is unidirectional data flow and flux, so which will just implements the one-way data flow, and also we will just discuss about this in our upcoming videos. Now the next thing is advantages. So what are the advantages present in the ReactJS? Like the first advantage is the virtual DOM. So the ReactJS uses the virtual DOM, which will improve the app performance, and also the component and data patterns improve readability, which helps to maintain the larger applications. And also let me just show you that how virtual DOM works in the ReactJS. So now here you can see in the screen. So this is how our virtual DOM and our actual DOM in our ReactJS. So in the left hand side you can see this is my virtual DOM, and in the right hand side this is my actual DOM. So let's say in the actual DOM, if it contains div input and there is one class is there, one value is there. So let's say I just want to change some value from null to 100 or any kind of value. Then at the time the ReactJS, what it will do, it will just create a virtual DOM for this particular value equal to 100 or whatever the value we choose. And after that what it will do, it will just take that virtual DOM and that particular value, and it will just update in our actual DOM. So here in place of writing the whole DOM again and again, so what the ReactJS is doing is that it will just take the particular portion of the virtual DOM and it will just update in our actual DOM. So basically it will just compare the virtual DOM as well as the actual DOM. So what is the change actually. So let's say if the change is value equal to 100, or what is the change like the class equal to something, or what is there is a div change. So basically it will just compare both the virtual DOM and actual DOM, and let's say there is a change it founds, then it just particularly update that particular portion of virtual DOM to the actual DOM, and due to that reason it will just improve the performance of our applications. But let's say if we just want to write the DOM and again, then at that time what happens is that it will just slow the application performance. And we can say this virtual DOM concept is the main concept of the ReactJS, which will just improve the performance of the application. Okay, so now the last thing is the disadvantages of the ReactJS. So the disadvantages is it just covers only the view layer of the applications. So for the other layers we just need to depend upon some of the other tools. And the next disadvantage is like it uses the inline templating and the JSX. So some of the users, they feel uncomfortable about using the JSX. So that's it all about the introduction to ReactJS. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.